So it's different than, I've been to other, let's call them matchmaking events, and typically the larger companies sit at the table and suppliers or solution providers come to them. This is the reverse of that, and so it's good to see that you set up for suppliers to set up meetings and that the potential customers come to them and have good discussions. So and it's also a little different in that in other events there's a lot of pure supply chain people, and in this event there are people who are dealing with the overall organization or operations, or specifically in areas that might be a good match for those solutions providers. Yeah, that's really a strong point, I think, for this format. There's been a lot of people who are at high levels in the organization, people who have sizable budgets, and they're looking for new suppliers or looking for new solutions to issues that they're experiencing. And they are the decision makers, or they're people who can then funnel those kind of relationships to people in the organization who have needs that match the suppliers.